Here's some big news coming in. The Supreme Court ordered the centre to ensure 700 metric ton of oxygen supply to Delhi and asked them for a plan. The Modi government has now informed the Apex Court that Delhi has received 730 metric ton of oxygen yesterday. Solicitor General Tushar assured court that significant stock of oxygen is there in Delhi hospitals at present and submitted statistics as to how government is procuring and supplying oxygen to Delhi and other states. The centre has informed the court that its distribution of oxygen in Delhi, that it is a problem and not really the supply. The distribution is a problem, not the supply. Anisha joining us, more details on that. Anisha, here the centre, while it says that 700 metric ton of oxygen has been supplied to Delhi, but nonetheless the turnaround time is what's resulting in the delays of the material reaching the desired hospitals. The centre there again expressing and asserting that the Delhi government is not ensuring that the supplies reach those hospitals in time.
Well, yes, the centre has said that the problem is of bottlenecks at the distribution level that they have ensured supply. In fact, the Solicitor General said that about 730 metric tons of oxygen reached Delhi just yesterday. They also said that we only have a limited number of transport options available, and we're trying to import more tankers. We're trying to get more cylinders to get better distribution. However, what the Supreme Court has pointed out is also very, very important. They have said that you need to look at the issue, not only look at the issue on a pan-India basis, you need to do an oxygen audit, because the formula that is being given at the moment, according to the Supreme Court, is a gross underestimate, and you need to revive the formula of oxygen distribution. And that is what the court has observed, that you have to have a revision of your formula. You need to have a complete overhaul of the formula which you're using for allocation of oxygen, because you're only allocating according to hospital requirements, but not everyone has gone to the hospitals. A lot of people who are staying at home will also need oxygen supply. And the court has also questioned that we're already in the middle of a second surge. When exactly are you going to put in plans with regard to oxygen buffers, and when exactly are you going to do this overhauling of plan? At the moment, the hearing is, of course, going on. The Solicitor General is talking about the plans that have already been put in place. The court is also questioning about the rural areas and the health system being put in place for rural areas. Remember, this hearing is not only about Delhi, but with regard to the bigger picture of oxygen supplies and that is being taken up with regard to the oxygen distribution. The court has also asked, what about the metropolitan areas apart from Delhi? There are several big cities in the country which have seen a huge surge. What is being done about augmenting supplies to those areas? All of these questions are currently being answered by the Solicitor General, who has said that plans are being put in place. We will keep updating as the court is given more information.
Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Now, Justice Chandrachud observes